Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video in this 2015 Jeep Cherokee. I'm going to show you how to do the oil reset really simple. This is for ones who have the push start button. So basically, you got to get in run mode. So press the button twice without having your foot on the brake. I'm just going to press it twice. You can see it's in run position. Now we're going to go where it says oil life, and it says press OK to reset. Now it says 100%. So now I'm just going to turn it off. And I'm going to put my foot on the brake. Start it. We're going to let it run. Check for leaks. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.